Yibbo, how are you, mate?
Great.
Good, good. So, Yibbo, you've had a few lessons here at Prepare to Pass driving school.
Yeah.
Would you like to share your experience with the other people looking for a driving school to go to?
Don't think about having the test immediately. At least have 4 lessons just as common recognized for you. Yeah. And I think drive slow and be really, really patient and focus on a lot of details.
Oh, good, good. That's very good. But when you're driving slow, you've got to drive normal.
Yeah.
In other words, don't drive fast.
Yeah. That's what I'm always doing.
And around corners too, you've got to slow down, hey?
Yeah. Slow down at the corner, and when you're trying to do the turning, fast.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's confused me a lot of times.
Why? It's all about safety and driving properly, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, anything else you'd like to show to the other students?
Yeah. I passed 91 points.
Simple as that?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
No, it wasn't that simple. No, we had to do some training.
Have to do some lessons and put all the things in your mind. I think that's the most important thing.
Yeah, to apply properly as your driver.
And practice when you do the normal driving yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's it.
Good feedback. Well, thank you very much, Yibbo, and all the best.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, and we'll see you some more, I hope.
Thanks. Yeah.
Okay. See you, mate.
See you, bye.
Bye.